I'm John Wright. It's another beautiful day here in Wrightsville Beach, and we're going to be checking out a 2024 Scout 425 LXF. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the triple 600 V12 Mercuries. You also have a nice swim platform, unobstructed, with entryways both port and starboard. All the way back here, you have a Helm or a passenger seat with live well underneath, bilge access below, fish boxes to each side. Over on the port side, you have a really nice swim platform area with a grab handle and ladder. Moving up behind the helm area, Kenyon grill. Your cool box goes in and out electronically, as you see here. Also, your rocket launchers will go up and down as well. Makes it easier. Grab your rod, take care of it, put it back, run the rocket launcher back up. You also have starboard and port bar stool area here. So when you're hanging out in the cockpit, cooking on the grill, very nice, and then slides out of the way when not in use. Well, next we'll move up to the helm area. So now we're in the helm area of the Scout 425 LXF. As you see, this boat has the Grigio interior. Also, starting here with the second row of seating, you have multiple seating positions. You can sit lower, you can sit up in the leaning post position, as well as where you can stand. Also in this area, the Seakeeper gyroscope is located down below deck. It's a great location. You also have storage drawers under each forward helm seat. Moving forward to the helm area, so you have the big Garmin display in the middle, smaller Garmin port and starboard. You have digital switching, which I have up right now, so you can control basically every function of the boat from here. You also have redundant switches up top for your key items, VHF radio, digital throttle of course, joystick piloting, zip wake, bow thruster. And you also have air conditioning at the helm for those really hot days and you need to get a nice cool breeze in your face. So now we're in the bow area of the 425 LXF. The main feature up here is this forward seating in front of the console. It has a nice contour to give support under the legs. You also have armrest, center and on each side. You also have a nice storage area here. This is great when you're coming up and you need to grab some lines and fenders. Your ladder stores away underneath as well. Over to port and starboard, you have nice storage places here. Sitting up in the front, you can put your wallet, phone, keys, etc. in there. All the way forward, great U-shaped bow seating. You have an electrically actuated table here, which goes all the way down or all the way up. And in this position, you can fill it to make a full sun pad. Well, while we're in this area, another key feature to Scout is the carbon epoxy build process they use. Gives the boat great strength, lightweight, very technology driven. And if you look at the hard top, we have the Razor lights, Lumitech light bars. You have your Garmin radar. You also have your outriggers and your FLIR system. Well, now let's check out the cabin and go down below on the 425. So now we're in the cabin of the 425. You have a great U-shaped seating area with a filler that converts this into a bed or sleeping quarters. Nice large television here. JL audio speakers on each side. You also have audio controls down below. Windows, port and starboard, that open. And then we have our galley area that has the sink, the cooktop, microwave, as well as refrigerator. And then all the way back is our head compartment with sink, toilet, and dedicated stand-up shower. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat, this beautiful Scout 425 LXF, or any other boat in inventory. Give us a call at 910-256-8100 and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.